do a little horn test right here. Ooh, driving position is also spot on. Driving this car is pretty fun because of its size. Hey guys, here we have the all-new 2024 Kia Sonet, and it is finally here in the Philippines. We can see that we have a lot of model units here. So this one is finished in the pewter green. I love the color. I love the looks of this car. The front end is just very aggressive. Has that signature Kia design language. You have 16-inch alloy wheels. So here is the rear of the Sonet. You can see it has that compact dimensions, compact styling. You have this very interesting design right here. You have a light bar right here for the tail lights, Sonet badging right there. So let's hop inside the back of the Sonet to check out the rear space. Solid door standing as well. You have a soft touch pad here for your armrest. Yeah, this is set to my driving position. I have tons of footroom, legroom. I also have a lot actually. Headroom, I have this much. You have two climate vents right here, a cubby right here down below, and two USB-Cs. So you have a fairly flat center tunnel right here, but it does feel tighter because of the narrow body. You have a center armrest right here. The seat color is actually nice. You have this two-tone design with contrasting stitching. Two cup holders on the center armrest. Yeah, overall the design is very premium. There's also this interesting design right here for the door handle. Again, here's the back seat of the Sonet. You have a little quarter window right there for more visibility. Check out the boot space of the Sonet. You have a touchpad right here. It's here on the side because the camera is actually in the middle. So here it is, the cargo capacity for the Sonet. Reasonably sized considering its dimensions. So underneath you have a full-size spare with steelies, and you can actually adjust the floor height. There are tabs on the sides over there, so you can have it higher or lower depending on your needs. So right now it's a little bit lower, or you can have it higher so you can have a flat load floor when you fold down the rear seats. 60/40 folding, and you actually have a tonneau cover right here to keep your items protected. To close it, there's a catch right here, and just close it like that. And let's go ahead and hop inside. So you have keyless entry right here. Getting in and out. The Sonet is fairly easy because of its high ride height. Has a solid door sound right there, even with the windows half open. So to start the car, here's the key. It has your Kia logo right here. It is very sleek. You have your buttons on the side, your lock, unlock, your remote start, and your trunk release are right here. Very, very sleek. So to start it, just have the key inside the vehicle, press your foot on the brake, and hit this start stop button right here. And instantly the 1.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine starts up. Turn on the air conditioning, just flick this lever right here. The seats, being the top of the line, are still manual, so you have your height adjustment right here, your recline. You have power folding mirrors. Overall, the dash is very interesting. It has that Sorento feels to it with the vertical air vents and your floating infotainment screen. This one is 10.25 inch, very standard for the top of the line Kia models, as well as your gauge display. It's all digital. You have a very sleek design to it. So the driver has a 3-spoke design leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunction controls on the sides. So here you have your cruise control, and on the right you have your radio, telephone, voice command, and whatnot. So yeah, it does have lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and some more safety features. Again, this one is the 10.25 inch infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. So let's fasten our seatbelts and take this for a drive. In addition, you have a lot of cubbies right here. So you have a wireless charger right here, neatly located here. You have more storage space right here with USB inputs, USB and USB Type-C. You have your 12-volt power outlet right there. You have this interesting design right here for the gear selector surround. So still the traditional shifter with a manual handbrake. 2 cup holders on the center console, and the center armrest storage is fairly small, but again, you can still store some items right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take it for a drive. First driving impressions, I love how the throttle response here with this car, it just feels smooth, and when you press on the accelerator gradually, it just delivers power. So this is the top of the line. It has automatic LED headlights. There you go. It's just turned on right now. Here's your trip computer, your safety features. So this is the button to turn on the lane keeping assist. Powering the front wheels is again a 1.5 naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine mated to an IVT, intelligent variable transmission, which is Kia speak for a CVT basically. But yeah, it is a pretty smooth CVT. It's not like the old ones wherein it has that rubber bandy effect. Visibility all around, it's great. You have large greenhouse. The windshield is a bit high, and you have a high hood line right there, but still pretty easy to maneuver thanks to its compact size as well. Do a little horn test right here. Ooh, that's premium. You wouldn't expect that for this car's class. Yeah, it's a peppy little motor. Soaks the pumps pretty well, and yeah, overall it feels great to drive. You can chuck it around in a corner and it will just follow. The steering is still heavily assisted, but with its short wheelbase it does feel more nimble. NVH is pretty good. There's not much road noise going inside the cabin. Yeah, it is light, but there's a great amount of feel to it. It's not super assisted. If you switch it to sport, there you go, the gauges will also change. You can hear the 1.5 inside the cabin, but that's what you expect for, you know, it's not a luxury car. And you can control your gears right here interesting pattern here on the air vent. Makes the overall cabin feel premium. Actually, the build quality is nice, fit and finish. Does feel solid. There are some hard plastics. Driving position is also spot on. I love how the seats are high mounted on the floor, so it does feel like a crossover, a proper crossover. You don't feel like you're sunk in the car. Yeah, driving this car is pretty fun because of its size. You just know how narrow this car is, and you can take it in tight city streets. This one has a tight turning radius. That was a quick POV drive off the Kia Sonet, the all-new subcompact from Kia. Does this have a backup camera? Okay, it does have a backup camera. So to put it in park, just again traditional gear lever right there, and turn off the air conditioning here. Manual handbrake, press the start-stop button. Does have the Kia chime when you turn it off. Okay guys, that was the Kia Sonet. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.